issued a tornado warning for southwestern Hays County, south central Blanco County, southeastern Kendall County, northern Coleman County, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Guadalupe River State Park, or 13 miles south of Blanco, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include San Marcos, Wimberley, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Wood Creek, Guadalupe River State Park, 65 miles per hour. Spring Branch, Twin Sisters, Driftwood, Bertheim, Smithson Valley, Starksville, Settler, Honey Creek State Natural Area, and Hays City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Guadalupe River State Park, Candelia, Fisher, Spring Branch, Twin Sisters, Driftwood, Bertheim, Smithson Valley, Starksville, Settler, Honey Creek State Natural Area, and Hays City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Safe natural area to